What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread for breakfast.
Do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What do you study first?
I study English first.
When do you come back home?
I come back home at 2 p.m.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I do my homework.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games in the evening.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat rice for dinner.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
What do you do on Sunday?
I play and rest. On Sunday.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like apples and bananas.
When do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth twice a day.
Do you pray daily?
Yes, I pray 5 times a day.
What do you do before sleeping?
I recite dua and sleep.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, I drink a lot of water every.
Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.